Hi guys, welcome to The Reality Circus. Who got dumped in Splitsvilla 6 this time? Or comedy nights with couple mein hone wali hai grand masti? To know it all, stay tuned and keep watching The Reality Circus with me, Mansi. पहले चलते हैं Splitsvilla 6 की ओर. Well, Subbu he celebrated Gaurav's birthday and they got time to spend a few romantic moments together. Then came the time where Param had to go to the girls' villa to chill and he had to choose his two hot favorites. So out of the four girls, he chose Mandy and Ruby as his two hot favorites. Well, फिर आया time hotness quotient task का. ये task था between the hot favorites versus the two non-favorites. So उन्हें करना क्या था इस टास्क में? The non-favorites and the hot favorites had to box it out literally. Mandy and Ruby were in one team and Satakshi and Priyanka were in the other. Well, to everyone's surprise, Satakshi and Priyanka won the round और परम को डंप करना था Mandy या Ruby में से किसी एक को. But there was a little twist in the tale. If he decides to dump one person, the boys could challenge his decision, and if that happened, then Param would have to fight it out with one of the boys in the boxing round. And whoever won this round could actually become the new king. Param ने dump किया Ruby को. No doubt over there, right? और उसके बाद अश्विनी और प्रभजोत ने उनके डिसीजन को चैलेंज किया. जी हाँ, उसके बाद परम और प्रभजोत में हुई बड़ी सी बॉक्सिंग फाइट. दोनों ने एक दूसरे को इतना मारा that the result was a tie. There was a tie between Param and Prabjot and Param still remains the king. Well, sadly Ruby did get dumped. Well, to win this Splitsvilla 6 show, the king and queen have to choose their partners. So Subbu ही ने चूज किया गौरव को और प्रभजोत और अश्विनी सीधे गए डंपिंग जोन. और दूसरी बात जो परम ने चूज किया मैंडी को और सताक्षी और प्रियंका गए सीधे डंपिंग जोन. And now, you know, like it said, it's now time for the final lap. Well, the grand finale is not too far. The biggest shocking thing that's going to be happening in the next episode is where all the ex-contestants are going to be back in the show. And this grand finale is going to be a three-way finale where the contestants will choose their own champions this time, and that will be the final lap. So get ready to see the tug of love in the upcoming episode of Splitsvilla 6. जहाँ तक मुझे लगता है गौरव सुबुही versus प्रभजोत and Satakshi is definitely going to happen in the tug of love. कौन सी जोड़ी के बीच में होने वाला है tug of love? Leave a comment and let me know. Well, अभी चलते हैं comedy nights with couple के sets पर. In the upcoming episode, which will be aired on 17th August, you're going to witness the three cool dudes who will be coming to promote their upcoming movie Grand Masti. Well, they're none other than Ritesh Deshmukh, Aftab Shivdasani and Vivek Oberoi. और आप देखेंगे उपासना सिंह aka बुआ, जी हाँ कपिल की बुआ, वो तो चिपक के चिपकी रहेंगी पूरे टाइम रितेश देशमुख और दूसरे दो एक्टर्स के साथ. Well, इस बार के ग्रैंड मस्ती स्पेशल एपिसोड में होने वाली है बहुत सारी ग्रैंड मस्ती. Do you want to know what's going to happen next between couple and all of them? Then don't forget to like my video. I love comedy nights with couple, and especially this time seeing the trio coming together, it's going to be a lot of fun. Do you agree? If yes, then leave a comment in the section below and let me know. There are a lot of surprises coming your way on a lot of different TV reality shows. Do you want to know all of it? Then don't forget to subscribe to The Reality Circus. Time to go. Bye. So what did they have to? Well, to win this Splitsvilla 6 show, the king and queen have to choose their partners. So Subbu ही ने choose किया गौरव को और प्रभजोत और अश्विनी सीधे गए डंपिंग जोन. और दूसरी बात जो परम ने choose किया मैंडी को और सताक्षी और प्रियंका गए सीधे डंपिंग जोन. Not bad. Hindi was fucking right. So happy.